Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chirigas Mamasagrey Channel, a faith healer, also a tarot reader. Sa ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 23 hanggang March 29 for the sign of Taurus. So ito na Taurus. Now, Taurus, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lang ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit ko siya for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo nang binag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So guys, then of course, don't forget, no, to follow my FB page, no, Faith Healer Maestra Ganda. Then of course, mga ating YouTube channel na Faith Healer Maestra Ganda. And of course, yung kabilang channel natin na Maestra Ganda Psychic Tarot. Dalawa lang po ang ating YouTube channel, ha. Meron po kasing gumagaya sa ating channel, which is yung Faith Healer Maestra Universe. Wala pong ganong Universe eksena gumaganyan, ha. So, kapag may nag-comment po sa inyo or may nag-message po ko sa inyo na regarding sa donations, hindi po ako yan. Huwag po kayo naniniwala at kumbaga nagaano kaagad dyan sa mga yan, ha. Mag-ingat po kayo sa scam, no? Baka mabudol kayo. So guys, ito na. Angels may plus give information for the sign of Taurus. So let's see and watch this. Hagilapin at tuklasin natin yung mga bagay na maaaring masagap natin sa energy nyo. For the sign of Taurus, so there's a Two of Cups. Ay, there's a partnership. No, there's a partnership for a lifetime ba to? Ito yung maaaring magdala sa at magbukas sa panibagong eksena. No, maaaring there's something, a partnership. No, love life o partnership for business. And there's something of features for being curiosity. Oh, get more information. Huwag sunggap ng sunggab, ha? Huwag kagat ng kagat. Kailalanin mabuti, no? At kailangan tuklasin mabuti. There's a spine looking, watching at you. May nagsusubaybay sa iyo. And there's something a wheel of fortune returning back. No, may swerteng papasok. There's something a destiny is yours. So, mayroon talagang bagay na maaring magbago ng ikot ng kapalaran sa iyo. There's a Six of Swords. A transition. No, mayroon talagang pagbabago na maaaring mangyari at maganap with the ease of soul, with the mental clarity, na maaaring magbigay liwanag sa iyong isipan. Magbigay tagumpay sa ano man yung bagay o plano mo. Now, there's a brighter idea at the same time na maaaring magtatagumpay ka dyan. There's a Knight of Cups, there's an offer. Na may offer daw na paparating sa insider proposal, promotions, an offer that brings you with a higher level of commitment at the same time. No, may jowa paparating. It's either if you are being single, kung taken ka naman, maaaring there's something, a romantic proposal. No, maaaring there's something, engagement, or maaaring ikasal ka na this time. With the Two of Cups, there's something, a judgment. Pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. Mag-ingat ka sa mga partnership, guys, no? Huwag ka masyado magtitiwala ng lubos. May paalala. There's a red flag. With the Page of Swords, there's something, a Two of Pentacles with a balance. Timbangin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo, no? Kailangan mas maging aware ka sa mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. There's a Six of Wands for victory. Magtatagumpay ka dahil hiikot na ang kapalaran at maaaring may swerte nang ang dumapo sa'yo. No, may aaring ito na yung bagay na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Maaaring ito na yung matagal mo nang inaasam na tagumpay. What is the Six of Swords? There's a Page of Wands with a good news. May magandang balita. May magandang impormasyon na maaaring magpabago sa sitwasyon mo. There's a Ten of Cups, something in happiness. Na at the end of the time, magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na raw dito. No, magdadala to sa ito ng mental clarity. With a Knight of Cups, represent with an Empress card for a rebirth. Disconnect from the world. No, may offer sa'yo dito. There's something in new beginning coming in. No, some of you guys, meron talagang panibagong eksena. No, na maaaring dumating sa'yo. Alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Now, let's see what is the Two of Cups or a judgment. Now, there's an Ace of Wands for a new project, a new idea coming in. Dito papasok ang mga bagong proyekto, plano. With a Three of Pentacles, something a work, may bagong trabaho or bagong negosyo papasok dito, guys. Now, there's a brighter idea. No, mag-ingat lang with a partnership, baka may pasukin kang investment, mag-ingat po kayo. There's a ton of with a sabotage, kasi meron sasabotahe, tatraidor sa inyo dito. There's a betrayal. No, maaaring maloko kayo dito, matraidor kayo dito, guys, no? Merong ditong susubukin kang lokohin. With a Five of Swords, no? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi masyado ka nagtiwala. No, may balita daw na darating sa'yo, kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga bagay na papasukin mo dito. And there's the King of Pentacles being security, tulad ng sinasabi ko, na magkaroon ka ng seguridad sa kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka o hawak-hawak mo. And there's a Chariot card for action movement. Magkakaroon ng changes and development sa situations mo. No, unti-unti na talagang magkakaroon ng pagbabago. No, for the outcome, let's see. And there's something a world. Now, some of you, meron dito ang partnership no, sa ibang bansa o maaaring magkaroon dito ng travel with an international, no? On may offer sa international. Or maaaring makakilala ka dyan ng ibang, ng jowa or asawa dyan sa ibang bansa, ganon. And there's a devil card. Mag-ingat ka, guys. No, meron talagang budol dito with the same time. Meron dito, there's a spy looking, watching at you. There's something na parang ginagawan ka ng hindi maganda. There's a kulto. Oh. No, ibang lahi ito, guys. No? And there's something at Two of Swords. There's something in decision. Na may mga bagay ka nahihirapan kang mag-decide. No, nagkakaroon ka ng parang alinlangan, takot. With the Three of Swords, no? Ang gumagawa sa'yo dito ay maaaring kakilala at kamag-anak or maaring malapit lang sa'yo. There's a King of Wands, something ambition. No, like, kumaga meron ka ng instinct, meron ka ng hinala. No, meron ng kumaga kutob, meron ka ng pinagsususpetsahan with the Four of Pentacles. So, protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo. No, and even your territory. There's something revelation na maraming marireveal dito, maraming matutuklasan at malalaman dito. So, guys, alamin natin, no? Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Finances and career, love life at kalusugan, guys. So, there's something, a justice card. The justice will be served. Pagdating sa finances and career mo, magkakaroon ng balance, no? And of course, there's a Nine of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, there's a potential for abundance. May potential ka para maging malago, maging mayaman. Good moon. No, there's a good karma daw na darating sa'yo. Meron daw ginawan sa'yong curses. No, kaya ka nakakaranas sa financial loss, sa financial crisis, or financial difficulties. And there's a 5-1, sabi ko na nga ba, there's a competitors. No, it's either dating katrabaho to or katrabaho, at maaaring there's something, a friend of yours, kamag-anak, yun lang ang maaaring sumasalbay dito. There's a magician, sabi ko na nga ba. There's a doing a black magic to you guys. No, sa lahat ng aspeto, ginawang ka ng hindi maganda para mag-suffer ka with the Queen of Swords. Kailangan mong tanggalin to, linisin mo. No, ito yung nagbibigay pabigat sa'yo. There's something overloaded. No? Parang nagpaparanoid ka dito, talagang hindi ka nakakabangon ka dito, guys, na maraming mga pinagdadaanan. About naman tayo sa love life, there's the King of Cups. Your person is very devoted. Devoted naman daw ang person mo with the Queen of Cups. So, parehas kayo ng emotions, na parehas kayo ng nararamdaman ng person mo. Na very devoted kayo, there's an emotional intelligent at matalino ang iyong emosyon. With the Page of Cups, something in intuition, makinig ka sa gut feeling nyo. Now, there's a something fishy, no? May malansang isda, with the Knight of Swords, with the success driven. At magtatagumpay naman daw ang iyong relasyon. No, at the same time, there's something, a Nine of Cups, no? There's something, a wish fulfillment. May mga pangarap kayo may isa sa katuparan dito. No, may mga pangarap kayo matutupad na dito. And there's a High Priestess. May mga hidden agenda or there's any hidden enemies pagdating talaga sa relasyon, sa finances mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, iisa lang ang sumasalbahe sa inyo dito, guys. Pero there's a group of kulto. No? And about naman tayo sa kalusugan nyo, there's something, a Knight of Wands, slow and steady. Unti-unti na tong magiging maayos ang inyong kalusugan, kailangan nyo lang magpatuloy sa ginagawa nyo. No, and of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. No, at magiging maganda na raw ang takbo ng sitwasyon. There's something, a support, a balance. And of course, there's something, a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. No, may mga bagay na anihin mo dito. Magiging maganda na yung outcome mo. With the Eight of Swords na napapalibutan daw kayo ng toxic and negativities dito. So, ibig sabihin dito, ang sumasalbay sa inyo ay maaaring malapit lang sa inyo. And there's a Page of Pentacles. So, mag-ingat ka sa mga bagay na papasukin nyo. So, it's all about investment. So, mag-ingat ka. No, dahil lang mismong sumasalbay sa either katrabaho mo to, kamag-anak or kaibigan mo to, or malapit lang sa inyo. So, guys, let's see. What is additional messages tayo with the magical fair messages advices? So, let's see and watch this. Okay, let's see what is the magical fair messages advices for you. There is something, guys, with a dietary change. So, kailangan mo diet, guys. No, baka sumusyabis ka na. No? And there's something, a new hope. Wow, magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay. Bagong tahanan. There's something moving is a step in the right direction for you. Oh. Yin and Yang Oracle card represent, guys, with a message and dream. So, mayroong mga mensahe daw sa panaginip mo na maaaring magkatotoo, maaaring mangyari. No, may mga paalala dyan. And there's something in union, integration. So, talagang pinapakita, there's something reconciliation and reunite, no, with your loved ones, so with your partnership. And there's something in receive and open. Na marami kang bagay na maaaring matanggap. No, may mga bagay na matatanggap ka dito. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. And there's an in tune. So, there's a partnership with the magician. So, ginagawan talaga, no, ang inyong relasyon. There's something roller coaster. Ang inyong relasyon ay maraming pagsubok, no? At talagang hinahamak at sinusubok kayo ng pagkakataon. And of course, pagdating sa relasyon, there's something you grieve. And there's something na some of you naman, meron ditong namatay na yung partner, or there's a no second chances talaga. Unexpected, all of the sudden, may biglaan na hindi nyo inaakalang mangyayari. No, parang there's a reconciliation with the other person na parang meron ditong remnants or something parang similar, parang familiarity. Similarity, ganon. Archangel Michael represent your home is protected by angels. Ang inyong tahanan ay protektado naman daw ng ating mga gabay. For a Jesus-loving quote said, be a good comfort, your faith has made you whole. So, ibig sabihin dito, maging mabuting malilingkod ka at maging tapat ka sa ating Panginoon dahil yung pananampalataya at tiwala mo ang bubuo sa iyo. No, gawin mong sentro ang ating Panginoon. So, guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of March 23 hanggang March 29 for the sign off. For the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads, so way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat. See you the next video. Bye-bye and babush.